what's up? This is Tyler with Most Simple Guitar Lessons. I'm going to show you how to play I'm Good at Being Lonely, Can't You Tell on acoustic guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Let's get started. Alright, to play this song, you'll be in standard tuning with no capo. Your first chord shape will just be pointer finger on the 4th fret of the E string, ring finger on the 6th fret of the A string. Just play those back and forth. And then you're just gonna drone this G string the whole time, except for the very end you'll go. But anyway, so 4, 6, 4, open G, back to 6. That's your first part. Second, you'll go to, so your pointer finger on 6 of the A string, your ring finger on 8 of the D string, and then you're just droning that G again, and you're just playing that back and forth. So altogether that's next. You'll slide down your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A string, and your pointer finger on the 1st fret of the D string, and then drone that G again. So all together. And then your last chord, you'll just put your pointer finger and your pointer finger and your middle finger on the 1st fret of the A and D string. Drone that G, and then you'll go hammer on with your ring finger on the 1st fret and pull off. And then back to the middle finger. And that's the whole pattern. So slower, that'll be